Hello everyone, this is question 3 from Edexcel paper 1 from 2022, and we've got a circles question. Okay, so what does it say? A circle has the equation x squared add y squared minus 10x plus 16y equals 80. Find the coordinates of the centre of the circle and find the radius of the circle. So quite straightforward for part A then. We're just going to gather together the x components, gather together the y components, and complete the square on the x components and complete the square on the y components. So we halve the coefficient in front of the x, then we take away that squared. Half the coefficient in front of the y, and then take that away squared. Then work out what that is, minus 25 minus 64. Bring the numbers over to the right hand side, giving us 169. So that 169 is our radius squared. So the radius is the root of 169, which is 13. And the centre of the circle, remember we changed the signs in the brackets, so 5 minus 8. So that's part A done. Now part B, given that P is the point on the circle furthest away from the origin O, find the exact length of OP. So I think a sketch would be useful here. So we've got a circle that has a centre at 5 minus 8. So there it is. And a radius of 13. So the radius is going to be bigger than, it's going to go above the axis like this. There's our origin, and there's the point P when it's at the furthest distance away from the origin. Okay, so what can we say about this? Well, we know that the radius itself is root 13. Is 13 because it's root 169. So now that means that we just need to really find the length from O to C and add it on to 13. And we can just use Pythagoras to do that. So 5 squared add minus 8 squared is 25 add 64. Add them together gives us 89, so that is root 89. So therefore the exact length of OP is 13 add root 89, which is the answer to this question. Hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next question.